is a humidifier. See how both those lights are on? That's because it ran out of water. So you gotta turn it off. Okay, then take this out. Unscrew this cap. Fill it back up with water. Screw the cap back on. Sometimes you gotta turn it till you get it to actually hit itself. And put it back on the humidifier. And then turn it back on. And then only one light will be on. The one on the right, and that shows you that it's going to work. And I turned it to 1. See? 1. You have to turn it off, take the thing out, and then turn it back on. Because if you just take the tank out and fill it with water and put it back on, it won't work. You have to turn the humidifier off and let it, have a couple of minutes to reset.